Earthquakes do far more than simply shake buildings and disturb human life. They actively reshape the planet's surface and unlock hidden layers of the Earth that have remained sealed for thousands or even millions of years. When tectonic plates shift violently, mountains can crack open, valleys can shift position, and underground water systems can be completely redirected in an instant. In some rare cases, these powerful geological events create new openings into deep subterranean environments that were previously inaccessible to humans. Caves that once remained sealed for centuries suddenly become exposed, revealing darkness that has never seen sunlight. Within these hidden spaces, scientists sometimes encounter ecosystems that evolved in complete isolation, untouched by surface conditions, and entirely separated from the outside world. These discoveries suggest that beneath the ground, Earth still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. One of the most fascinating types of creatures discovered after earthquakes includes cave-dwelling reptiles, particularly snakes that live deep underground in total darkness. These animals are often adapted to environments where light never reaches, relying on vibration, smell, and temperature changes to navigate their surroundings. When earthquakes open new cracks or expand existing cave systems, researchers occasionally find populations of these snakes that had remained completely isolated for generations. Similarly, isolated lizard species have been discovered living in hidden rock chambers, surviving in conditions where food is scarce and environmental stability is extremely limited. Over time, these reptiles adapt to darkness, reduced resources, and extreme environmental pressure, developing unique survival strategies that differ significantly from their surface-dwelling relatives. Their existence demonstrates how life can persist even in the most hidden and extreme environments on Earth. Another remarkable discovery often associated with newly exposed underground environments is blind cavefish, which represent one of the clearest examples of evolutionary adaptation to darkness. These fish live in complete absence of light, and over generations they often lose their eyesight entirely because vision becomes unnecessary in their environment. Instead of relying on sight, they develop heightened sensitivity to vibrations, water pressure changes, and chemical signals that help them navigate through submerged cave systems. When earthquakes open access to previously sealed water passages, scientists may encounter populations of these fish that have evolved in isolation for thousands of years. Their existence highlights the incredible ability of life to adapt when environmental conditions remain stable but extreme. In such environments, survival depends not on strength or speed, but on sensory evolution and biological efficiency. Earthquakes also sometimes reveal hidden bat colonies living deep inside underground cave systems, where entire populations may exist completely undisturbed until a geological shift exposes their habitat. These colonies can number in the thousands and often occupy vast cavern networks that stretch far beneath the surface. Bats are uniquely adapted to dark environments, using echolocation to navigate complex underground spaces with remarkable precision. When new cave entrances are formed due to rock collapses or shifting geological layers, researchers may suddenly gain access to ecosystems that have been active for centuries without human awareness. Alongside bats, scientists also discover cave arthropods, including insects and arachnids, specially adapted for underground survival. These creatures often display pale or translucent bodies, elongated limbs, and enhanced sensory organs designed for navigating total darkness. In addition to larger underground species, earthquakes can expose entire aquatic systems containing subterranean crustaceans and microorganisms that exist far beneath the Earth's surface. These tiny creatures live in isolated pools and underground rivers that have remained sealed from external ecosystems for extremely long periods. Over time, these environments evolve independently, creating unique biological systems that function without any connection to surface life. Earthquakes can shift geological layers in ways that alter underground water flow, revealing species that were previously completely unknown to science. In some cases, researchers discover entire ecosystems of microorganisms capable of surviving under extreme pressure, low oxygen levels, and complete absence of sunlight. These organisms help scientists understand the boundaries of life and how far biological adaptation can extend in harsh environments. The most extraordinary aspect of these discoveries is that earthquakes do not create new life, but instead reveal what has always been hidden beneath the surface of the entire ecosystems, complex food chains, and isolated biological communities can exist undisturbed for centuries until a sudden geological shift exposes them to the outside world. These underground systems often include interconnected caves, water networks, and species uniquely adapted to darkness, forming complete biological worlds that operate independently from surface ecosystems. Every time the Earth trembles and reshapes itself, it opens a temporary window into these hidden environments, reminding us that our understanding of the planet is still incomplete. Beneath our feet lies a vast and largely unexplored world, and each seismic event has the potential to reveal something entirely new about life on Earth.